Hey everyone, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. Yesterday I got couple of stuff and I'm very excited to show about the cool stuff that I got yesterday in my beauty walk. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Couple of stuff that I got excited about from the Balm Cosmetics and from the Revlon. Playtime with the makeup. I am not sure if you already got these things in your collection or maybe it's new to you as well. I saw these things and I really wanted to get my hands on these things and get a feel for it. Yeah. So let's get started with the Balm Cosmetics liquid eyeshadows. The Balm Cosmetics is a brand I am always looking forward to and always checking out their products because I just love their quality, love their packaging, love everything about the whole line. Be it their liquid lipsticks, be it their liners, be it their, blushes and highlighters. Yeah. And now, very excited about this beautiful liquid eyeshadow. Well, some days you just don't want to do much and you just want a little bit jazzed up, brightening look, and you want it effortless. So I think this is perfect for those days. Lavender Mimosa, of course, there are so many colors to check out, but somehow I just felt like this is very wintry and it just goes with the snow. Yeah. So look at the color. It's a beautiful, pretty lavender mimosa color. And today I just want that cool vibe in my whole look. The best part about it is it's effortless. Yesterday I got it and I tried it and instantly fell in love with it. Today morning again, I just wanted to put something on my lid and somehow this came into my mind that yeah, I just want to go for it one more time. And now this is the third time I'm using it. You can see a little bit of it, the residue from the morning. And now I'm just going to put a little bit more to show all of you how it worked beautifully. The applicator is pretty handy. You don't even need any brush and you just have to grab this applicator, put it on your lid just like that. You can spread with the applicator or you can spread it with the fingers. It is not going to cake up. It is not going to look chunky. It will just spread beautifully and give you a nice shimmery effect. Just imagine a cut crease look with this. If you are someone who just loves to go for cut creases, this is again something worth checking out. Dabbing it so you can shear it out, you can build it more. In the morning when I went for a walk, I just wanted something on my lid and I actually, honestly, I was getting so attracted to this that I just wanted to wear it and I just applied couple of drops of it and sheared it out. It is really pretty. If you have checked it out, very good. I am with you, and if you haven't checked it out, please go check it out. It is going to make your life super easy if you want something very quick, very smooth and easy to work with. And today, just that much, okay? If you want, you can put it on top of any shadow. If you want, you can go for a little bit, shadow work near the crease. But I just want to stick with it because it looks very pretty, very youthful, very fresh. And I'm just feeling that lavender and mimosa world with this one. Lovely. The other eye, look how cool it is. And it looks even more beautiful when you are out in snow and you are seeing that shiny, sparkly snow and just feels like, yeah, I'm just aligned with that part of nature. I just got one yesterday. I just wanted to check it out. And then I think now I'm in love with it. I'm definitely going to go for some more shades. I am looking forward to the rose gold shade, the champagne shade, and Irish coffee. Really working well with me. Isn't it pretty? I'm just loving it so much. All the liquid eyeshadows don't work this way. It is like being one with the lid, not giving me any hard time to blend, or I don't feel any heaviness on my lid. Yes, there is a cooling sensation and that is a very pleasant one. You must feel it. Yeah, that's it. I'm just going to wear it that way. So happy with the color. Why not put a little bit on the cheeks? Let's see. It's a makeup fun play time, and today it's new to my world, and I'm just going to use that in every way possible. Do you guys love the Balm Cosmetics? I just love it so much. I mean, every time I'm very happy that it is in my local drugstore available. So anytime I want, I can just go and check. And that's a different kind of pleasure, going there and checking things out. Of course, it's mask days. It's very, very beautiful, guys. Look at that. I'm just so mesmerized with it. Even on my cheek, it is melting. Yeah, lovely, isn't it? A little bit of mascara, and that's all. We all have those days, don't we? When we just want something, like it feels like a makeup pizza to me. You know why? Because some days you just want to eat something nice, but you do not want to put that much effort. And this one is really pretty, and it is giving me a nice put together look, but it's effortless. A little bit of mascara, and what a fun way. I think this will be perfect for your car makeup as well. If you just want to go for a drive and you don't have time to put on any makeup, just keep this thing handy, put on your lid, and you will be good to go. Another product that I got my hands on yesterday is falling under the same category, and that is my Revlon High Shine Glass Shine Super Lustrous Lipstick. I have seen it in the aisle, and I just wanted to, I kept thinking about it that I have so many lip colors already. But yesterday I just wanted to add a little something in my lipstick collection. Yeah, and I'm a big fan of Revlon Super Lustrous lipsticks because of the shade range, because of the price point, and because of the quality. It is really buttery smooth and I love it. So this one, when I saw that Revlon Super Lustrous Glass Shine, I had to check it out. This feels like a new formula which reminds me of lip butters. If you know what I'm talking about here, those were the days when I was in the States and I used to go to Walgreens and get my hands on lip butters from Revlon. Really cool and worth checking out. This is the color, and quite mauvey and quite cool. Totally goes with this look. Today it's just the cool vibe on my channel, so let me put it on. Do you see the shine? I mean, just look at it. It's just like my lips, but better. I have a little bit of natural mauvey twist on my lips, and I always want something which can mimic the color of my lips. Of course, hydration during winters, and shine, always a good thing. And this one, again, it doesn't need any mirror. I'm just using it because I'm in my makeup room. I have mirror right in front of me, so why not use it? But this does not need any mirror. It's just like a lip balm. I just love my lipsticks. When I get up early in the morning, that's the first thing after I freshen up. I just grab a lipstick and put it on. It just makes me feel colorful and gives me a nice makeup energy, and I just love it. So sometimes I mix it with my Rosebud Salve because I just want something, a little bit of color, a little bit of moisture, a little bit of shine. And this is like 3-in-1: shine, moisture, color, melts like butter, and I just love it. Isn't that a pretty shade? You can see me smiling with this lipstick. That means it just makes me feel super happy. As much as you want, you can just go with it, and it is going to give you a very cool, youthful, polished look without putting much effort. So what are you waiting for? Check it out. And if you have already checked it out, please leave me some more suggestions on the comment section, because I have lots of fuchsias, lots of oranges, lots of reds, and I am really looking forward to those kind of shades, the mauvey, the brownie kind of shades these days. So I was checking out the other shade, which was like a sparkling brown kind of shade, but somehow this was the winner for me. And this was the last shade, I mean the last tube on the shelf. So I just thought that, yeah, I have to have this one. And now that I've got this, I mean, and especially I got these on deals. I mean, in my local drugstore, Shoppers Drug Mart, I got it in $4.99. What a steal. I just love it. And I think I'm going to go for another round of my beauty walk and find some more gems out and add and refresh my whole makeup collection, and without going too heavy on my wallet as well. So that's about it, guys. This is the youthful, beautiful, lovely look, lavender feel, snowy, sparkly vibe. I am sure you will check it out, and you will let me know which shade is your favorite, and did you just buy one like me, or you went for 3-4 shades or more. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time. If you're new to my channel, you are most welcome to come again and watch some more fun makeup videos, some creative looks, and of course some tried and trusted products as well. This is Soma saying bye to you. Have fun, like, subscribe, and share the joy of makeup. Yes, bye.